Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to learn how to use thread command in Autodesk Inventor. With the help of this command, we can make nut and bolts in Autodesk. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, select a plane and draw a sketch. Let we draw a circle and dimension. Let's take 10 millimeter and finish a sketch. Go to extrude. Distance is 25 millimeter. Okay, now go to thread and simply select a face this time. So you can see it's automatically select and take the diameter and make a threaded bolt or stud. Okay, we can change here our as per our requirement pitch and okay. So and one more option in specification, if we want right side and left hand side we can change here. Okay, go to location. If you want some distance, not full length, simply click full length and offset. Let's take 10 millimeter and rest of length is 15 millimeter. Okay, so 10 millimeter distance gap and then 15 millimeter threaded length. Okay, simply click OK. So you can see we made our stud. Okay, this type we also use to make nut. So let's select a plane top and draw a sketch. Let's draw a circle first. Now dimension, let's take 20 millimeter and go to polygon 6 and click OK. Finish. Sorry, we have to draw a circle. Let's take 10 millimeter and finish sketch. Now go to extrude and 10 millimeter extrude. Sorry. 10 millimeter extrude. Okay, so this is our M10 bolt, and this is our M10 nut. So we want thread inside. Simply click thread and select a face, and you can see our threaded nut is ready. Okay, you can see there also. Okay, hope you understand. If you have any doubts, then please comment and please like, share and subscribe my channel.